Have you ever wondered how Bitly works? Today we will build our version of URL Shortener in Golang. And by the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully working URL Shortener that generates short links and redirect users. So let's get started. Before we get into the coding, let's understand how URL shortener works. Basically, the first step is the user enter a long URL, right? And then the system will generate a short code. Save the short code into database or some kind of memory. And finally, when someone visits the short link, the link will redirect into the actual link. So in the nutshell, this is the process behind the scene of how URL shortener works. So let's start with coding. First, you have to take terminal. You have to prepare a terminal, and then what I will do is I will make a directory. I call this directory Go URL Shortener, and then I immediately get inside the directory. Done. Next, I will initialize the Golang module by typing go mod init github com my github go URL shortener. Done. And then in this tutorial we also need Golang gin for the HTTP server. Therefore we have to install that as well. So get github com gin enter. Right, it's done. Let's open the VS Code and start the actual coding. So inside this we will create a file named main.go. First off, type package main and define the main function. Default. Okay. Then we define the path. In this system we will need two API. The first API is to shorten the URL, and the second one is the API to redirect from the shortcut into the actual link. So let's define the API to generate the short link. I will call this shorten, and later we will define this function shorten URL. Okay, don't worry, we will back to this again. And the second one is get short redirect URL. This will function as the redirect from the short link to the actual link. And finally, run the server. Run. Okay, let's define the shorten URL. Function shorten URL. So this given context, and it takes body, request body start original URL, data type string, listen, the name of your field is no URL. Then we will bind the JSON. C bind JSON like nil C JSON HTTP status get request, and we return gn.h error invalid request. Okay, and return. So if the process of binding the JSON is failed, it will return bad request response. Next, this process is where we generate the actual short URL. Shortcut generate short URL. Okay, we will define this function later. Okay, let's continue with this. So for the simplicity, we will store the short link in the Golang map, but you can store it in anything, in any kind of memory, database, or MySQL, Postgre, or in memory such as Redis. It's up to you, but in this tutorial I will use Golang maps to store the link. So I will define global variable in here. I call this URL store equal make map, the key is string and the value is string. So this will be the key is the short URL and the value is the actual URL. So like this, store short code like original URL like this, and if it's successful we return JSON http status OK gnh, and we inform the user that this is the short URL. It's http localhost short code. There, this is done. Now let's define this function. Generate, so it will return string, and basically we make six character string that has six the length of 6, but random it b and return this dash 64 URL encoding encode to string b like this. Okay, seems good. Let's define the final function, which is the function to redirect the short URL to the actual URL. Function redirect URL cgen context. So shortcode will be taken from the parameter short, cause this, right, the parameter short, and original URL exists URL shortcode. Okay, if it doesn't exist, we will return http status not found. And we give the header error URL not found. Okay, return. But if it exists, we will redirect the request into the actual link like this. Okay, this is all the code. Next step, let's test this application to see if it's working or not. Okay, so let's run this Go application. Go run dot. Okay, it's running. Let's open a new terminal in here, and let's test by creating short link from google.com. We will use CURL. to make the request. Post http localhost shorten h content type application JSON, and the request body URL is https golang.com. Alright, don't forget this single quote. Obviously you can test this with Postman. In this case I will test it using URL. Okay, enter. There you see there is something missing. There should be this. Okay, let's start this again. Okay, let's hit the API again. There you can see the short URL. You can see the shortcode is the last part of the link. Okay, it has 6 string with the length of 6. Okay, this generator short link generator seems okay. Let's copy this link and let's open this in the browser. What will happen? So if I press enter, URL not found. eng why this copy? Okay, enter. There you can see it's redirect me to google.com. But what if I change this to K, for example? You can see it gives me the response that said that the URL is not found. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching.